In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own stock candlestick chart using Google Sheets, perfect for those starting out with Google Finance tools. Let's dive right in and get your data visualized in no time. First things first, head over to sheets.google.com. Once you're there, you'll want to create a new blank sheet where all the magic is going to happen. This is going to be the canvas for your financial masterpiece, so get ready to learn and create something useful and visually informative. Your first task on this new blank sheet is a simple one. In cell A1, you'll need to enter a formula. This is the core of our data extraction, so choose wisely. For our example, we're using the ticker symbol for Apple, AAPL, but feel free to substitute this with the ticker for whichever stock you are interested in tracking. This formula is going to look like Google Finance, AAPL, all date 2025-11, today, daily. This command will pull historical data covering Apple stock prices, specifically the open, high, low, and close prices, all starting from January 1st, 2025, up to today's date. Now, as it stands, this setup is all about Apple, but you can easily replace AAPL with a different stock ticker if you're tracking another company. Additionally, you might want to tweak your starting date to fit your particular analysis needs. This will help you get the ideal range of data and avoid gaps in your analysis. How extensive you want your dataset depends on the story you're looking to tell or the patterns you wish to explore. With our data in place, let's enhance it by adding another column titled Date. Creating this will give you clarity and precision in your dataset. Once labeled, select its first cell and input equal text A2 DDMYYYYY. This action converts the original date format into a simpler, more readable format, ensuring your chart is both comprehensible and professional looking. Now here's where the data magic happens. Highlight all the cells and columns, but make sure you skip the original date column. Then navigate to Insert in your menu bar and click on Chart. This step will bring your data to life in the form of a visual representation. The chart editor is your next destination. Here you'll adjust the chart type to a candlestick chart. This will provide you with the exact visualization you need to interpret fluctuations and patterns in stock prices efficiently. Finally, ensure you assign the right variables to the proper parameters in your chart. Align the low with low, open with open, close with close, and ensure high matches with high. This final adjustment guarantees your chart tells the correct story, offering precise, insightful data to drive informed decisions. And there you have it, a candlestick chart ready for your finance analysis, courtesy of the powerful combination of Google Sheets and Google Finance. Thank you for following along, and happy charting.